Facing that frustrating Fortnite corrupted data error on your PS5 after a power outage? Get an immediate fix here. First, verify your game files. Go to Fortnite's icon, hit Options, select Check for updates, then Verify and Repair. This replaces damaged game data. If that doesn't work, method 2 is rebuilding your PS5's database. Power off completely. Hold the power button 7 seconds until the second beep. Connect your controller via USB, enter safe mode and select Rebuild Database. This reorganizes your hard drive. Still stuck? Method 3. Clear your console's cache. Navigate to PS5 settings, System, Software, then clear System Software Cache. Removes temporary files corrupted during power interruption. Finally, if all else fails, reinstall Fortnite. Delete the game, then re-download from your library. Guarantees a fresh, uncorrupted installation, getting you back into Fortnite battles swiftly. Don't let a power outage keep you from victory.